Exercise 27. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation kx plus y equals 2 intersects the graph of the equation y equals minus x squared plus k at exactly 2 points. Which of the following values of k cannot result in exactly 2 intersection points? Okay, so graphs intersect means that I will solve a system. So here, I'm going to express both of them in terms of y plus 2 and y is minus x squared plus k. And I'm going to make them equal. Minus kx plus 2 is minus x squared plus k. X squared minus kx plus 2 minus k is 0. We know that this solution has exactly 2 points. This is a quadratic. So this means that in order for that to have exactly 2 points, its discriminant should be greater than 0. The discriminant of that is a is 1, b is minus k, and c is 2 minus k. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is minus k squared minus 4 times 1 times 2 minus k. So it's k squared minus 8 plus 4k, which is k squared plus 4k minus 8. And we want this to be greater than 0. I will do that through the Desmos. So let's bring Desmos here. It's the k squared plus 4k minus 8. So I'm going to draw the x squared plus 4x minus 8. Let's zoom out. And we want that to be greater than 0, which means that we want it to be more above the x-axis. Here it's minus 5.4, here is 1.6. When k is 4, it is above, cannot result. When k is 3, it is above. When k is 2, it's above. When k is 1, that's the answer, because when k is 1, it's below the x-axis. So the right answer here would be D. Once again, this is a hard exercise. Once I figured out that it's a quadratic that I want it to be greater than 0, I moved into Desmos. Greater than 0 means that the corresponding graph will be above the x-axis. I drew that on Desmos, I found the x-intercepts, and then I started working with the values. The only value that is below the x-axis is when x is 1 or when k is 1, respectively. Watch it again, and again, this is a hard question.